Well, good morning, folks. Today we're going to be working on a 2004 Buick Lesabre. This car belongs to my sister. She had told me last week that her heater wasn't working. I went and got her car and brought it to my house to check it out, and discovered that it has a busted heater hose fitting, little elbow, which is right down here. It's a 90-degree angle elbow, and it's plastic. And googling that, it seems to be a common problem with these 2004 3.8 V6s. It's like I say, a Buick Lesabre. And apparently, to get that heater hose out of there, that fitting, I'm going to have to remove the alternator and take the serpentine tensioner loose there, gain access to that thing. But I have ordered one from Advance Auto. It was $16 and something. They got a little 15% discount going, brought it down to 14, and I had some speed perks which brought it down to 9. So with the tax, ended up being, I think, like $10.29. I got the aluminum elbow. The plastic ones were just $6, but they were out of stock, so I went ahead and ordered the aluminum. I think I'm going to go ahead and drain the radiator also. It's almost like slime in there. Look like something out of the bottom of a pond. It's a big mess, but I guess I'll flush it too, try to clean that junk up a little bit. As usual, you always get into more than you bargain for with these vehicles. This one, I think, apparently going to have to take a shroud off down here underneath to access the petcock. Got these little hopper tabs. Can you get them out? Well, I think I may have found the drain on the driver's side. Up here underneath this hose. See it right there? I think. So it looks like a 3/4 inch socket will fit the thing. I did have to put the deep well because it's got the little knob sticking down on it. And this radiator is supposed to hold 3 gallons. And we'll see how much actually comes out of it. I think I've got a 4-gallon bucket there. I'm going to let that drain while I go get the pieces to fix it. Well, we got the elbows. Now just to get the old pieces off. Get the hood open to start with, I guess. Get that plug back in there and get it a little snug so I can start doing the flushing. Okay, that'll work. Okay, we'll start off by taking off this cover. lid back on so we don't get a bunch of junk in there. And we'll pop the hose here on our alternator. I can find it. Not the hose, but the clip. There we go. Let's go ahead and get that water reservoir out of the way also. Pop that out of there. Not much room to unscrew anything there. Get it off without dropping everything. Okay, got that. Oh yeah. I'll take our hose off of this thing. Now see if we got a better look at the serpentine belt. Let me get this wrapped around my head. I believe I can remember that. Go ahead and get it out of the way so it don't get any antifreeze on it. Looks like the tight area right there. I say we'll get it out of the way. Yeah, there it comes. Alright, now we'll take the brackets off of the generator there, alternator rather. We'll just lay that right up there. Another one's probably a 10 again. I think use the same size. Try the ratchet. That works better. It's a bolt. I think it's been a nut, but whatever. Where's the other one? Right there on the front. Go ahead and switch out. Looks like it said are free. Remember, there's 3 different sizes. Put them in order where they go. Keep me from confusing myself. I'll set you up there. Hopefully you don't fall. Now this thing, let's see, what's it have? Got a bolt there. One down underneath. Let's see. One there. One down in there. And that's all I see right off, but if I find another one, I'll let you know. Ringing the bells. Okay. Those are all three the same size, thankfully. Let's see if that sucker will come off of there. There we go. You see right there is our problem. All right. Just take that out of there. It should pop loose. Piece there is broke off. You can see. It's supposed to have another little section. That washer went right there. Have to try to see if we can dig the broken piece out and find it. Probably disintegrated. Ow. Yeah, I feel something back in there. It's gonna be fun to try to get out, I believe. I don't know if I get the camera down there to see that or not. Get you a sideways view, maybe upside down view, something. That's the best I could do. It was trying to start sprinkling on me there earlier on the way back from Advance Auto. I think I got it. I did. There it is. Clean that mess up right there a little bit, maybe. Dry that hole out. Clean up some of this antifreeze that's leaked all over the place. Alright, there's another elbow one down here at the bottom. I'll go ahead and pop him loose too. Oh. Okay. Need to see where, let's see, it went right there. Those elbows are just plastic, so I guess they're kind of planned obsolescence stuff. They make it to tear up, so you have to bring it back and let them fix it. I personally am not a mechanic. I did take a couple of years, well, I took 1 year of it in high school shop class, the trade school, whatever. But as far as knowing what I'm doing, nah. What is that down there? I thought you'd power steering to be over on the other side. What in the thunder? It ain't good. diddly squat in it. Okay. I don't know about that. That slid in too easy. Okay. Oh. Comes up rain again. Okay. Lord have mercy. Hope that works. Oh shoot, I forgot to put that hose back on. Need to put you back on, don't I? Take this thing here and clean it out. That's a mess. Getting chilly out here. It's rain. Come on. There you go. I had a pushy pin somewhere. I guess that's it there. Alright. Well, it's the moment of truth. This is going to tell whether or not those elbows leak. So, here goes. That thing said run for 10 minutes. So. Okay, getting ready to put the final antifreeze back in. Get the drain plug on. Well, I think we're done here. Everything seems to be working okay. The heater's running, not overheating, and temperature looks good. So we'll call it good. Thanks for watching.